Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, it's time to update our view on the Bitcoin market. As you can see, performance on the recent sessions was not really very fast. This is good because actually overall price stands very accurately with our trading plan. And on the Bitcoin market, at least for a short-term perspective, it's a bit crucial moment because the level where our market stands right now, it's around 55, 56. If you remember, as we have mentioned it in our previous update, it's some border between a bullish and bearish context. Why it is so important? On the daily chart, we definitely, obviously we have the rising wedge pattern. Potentially is bearish. And it also agrees with the divergence. That's another bearish sign. But one of the scenarios, especially based on the pattern that we have on intraday charts, suggests that we could get another attempt to go higher to create the new top around 66, 67 area before the major retracement starts. And it will not break the bearish pattern here, because in this case we probably get more extended divergence, which keeps its shape, and retracement could start later from the high standing level. But to complete this scenario, market has to stay above the lows that we have here. Let's suppose that market will not be able to do this. What will happen in this case? First of all, you will get the clear bearish sign inside of the wedge. So you know the classical technical analysis tells that if market shows early reversal inside of the triangle, rectangle, wedge pattern, so here you can see the market hasn't reached the opposite border, shows early reversal and drop. This is bearish sign, and this is the moment that forecasts possible breakout. Second, bullish intraday pattern will be destroyed and erased, which suggests that market should drop below those lows. And that means starting of the moderate retracement on the daily chart. So that will be really, I suppose, moderate retracement and longer term pause in upward trend. So that's the reasons why the 55 area is very important. For traders, it means two things. First of all, if you would like to buy Bitcoin, this is the perfect area to do this, because you will be able to place very tight stop slightly below this area. Because normally bullish market will continue upward action. If this will not happen, it means that market is not bullish anymore, and you, as I said, will be able to place stop right at the invalidation point. This minimizes your potential risk. If you will be right, and risk-reward ratio will be maximum. So that's for the bulls. For the bears, it's also a level to keep an eye on, because in the case of the breakout, you could use, for instance, stop sell order somewhere on the halfway from the 55 to the lows of the 50 even. This market will pass through it. It means the market's breaking down and bearish context is rising, so you could step in the bearish trade somewhere on the halfway to the bottom. That's also will be important signal. So not once, not twice we've said that 55, 56 area we could use also as an indicator. So that will just point you the direction, shows you the direction in the case of the breakout. So, and currently, if you'll take a look at the 4 time frame chart, actually market has completed the predefined pattern that we have discussed. Initially we thought that will be a bit steeper ABCD, but you could see here market was showing minor ABCD to the upside, extending of the BC leg, and then it completes the CD leg. So currently the background for taking the long position stands in place. ABCD retracement is completed. It stands at the support. So if we add the 30% level, you could see the market stands actually here at the support. In fact, and completed ABCD. So in fact, we also have the cartridge triple to buy. As you can see already, the upper direction has started. That's the points that you could think about if you intend to go along with the Bitcoin market. For the bears, I already explained what we need to keep an eye on. On the hourly chart, you could see that it's also 30% support of this upper direction. This is the same ABCD pattern. Now we actually have no other options, just to wait and see what will happen. Because if you would like to go along, you probably already have long position or intend to do this in the nearest time. For the bears, it's also nothing to do yet, because we need to get clear signs of the downside breakout. In this case, this market is going lower. It's breaking of the bullish context. So when all preparations for possible action on the Bitcoin is done, we could only sit on the hands and see what we will get in the result.